Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. I am astrologer Prashant and I welcome you all to my channel, Divine Jyotish. Today we will discuss the remedies based on the betel nut. Betel nut is also known as areca nut in English, supari in Hindi and pungifal in Sanskrit. It is a seed of areca palm. It is one of the main ingredients in pan, a commonly used chewable leaf in Asian countries. Most of us only know its medicinal benefits, but today we will discuss its benefits and the form of remedies. In Hindu religion, it is used in the starting of a worship. If you do not possess any idol of God and want to worship the form of God, you can place the supari as the same form of God and worship accordingly. Supari is also considered as Lord Brahma, Yamdev, Varun Dev and Indradev. Any worship for bringing peace is incomplete without supari. First, if your family is cursed or unfortunate in life, then do this remedy. Place a supari on a silver plate in altar place and then offer holy incense or dhoop to it. It will create positive energy in the house and finish bad luck of family members. Second, whenever you perform Lakshmi Puja, please take a supari, wrap it with red sacred thread which is known as kalava or moli, offer akshat which is unbroken rice, vermilion, flowers and yagyopavit on it. Then place this worshipped supari in your cash box. It is able to give you prosperity and wealth needed. Third, if your financial condition is not satisfactory, then make a swastik sign from vermilion in front of your door, put some unbroken rice in the middle of it and place a supari on the rice. Don't forget to wrap the supari with kalava or moli. Do this frequently. Fourth, if not a single good thing happening in your life, then take a supari, place it in a silver bowl along with some unbroken rice or akshat. Then put this in east or north corner of your home where morning sunlight reaches even for a while. This remedy is able to finish all type of problems from your home. Fifth, if you are unable to select the right career path for you, then do this remedy. Offer solid supari to Lord Ganesh on every Wednesday. You will soon get your direction for choosing right career path. Sixth, if your business or shop is not running properly, then on Saturday evening, take a supari and copper coin, place it under peepal or sacred fig tree. Then take a leaf of the same tree and put it under your seat where you usually sit. This will help in improving your business. If your child is facing problems in studies, then take a supari, put it inside a locked silver pendant and ask your child to wear it on neck. This remedy is very beneficial. Eighth, if your relationship with spouse or in-laws are not well, then do this remedy. Whenever you go to meet your in-laws, take a supari, white flowers and sweets with you. But the supari should be kept in the pocket only till the time you live there. Once you come back, place it in altar place. Consider it as Lord Ganesha and offer some Javitri on it. Hope you will do the remedies of your choice. Please like the video, comment which is your favorite remedy and subscribe the channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter with the name Divine Jyotish. Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya.